ChuChu Daily Surprise Eggs! Hi!
Ta-da! Kids, we have arrived at the carnival. Let's have some fun.
Hi, Mr. Harlow.
Hey there, my friends. Welcome to the carnival. So, friends, shall we see the stalls?
We can't wait! Yay!
I'm going to enjoy this trip with all my little friends.
Look! There is a picture of the night sky. The night sky! Wow!
Now, shall we press the magic button?
Huh? Hi! We can't wait to join the fun!
Shall we get ready to open the eggs one by one?
Pick me! Pick me! Pick me! Pick me! Yay! I got picked! Let's open the egg. 1, 2, 3. That's a violet egg. Violet! Shall we open the violet egg? 1, 2, 3. Wow! There's an orange egg inside. Orange! Shall we open it? Open. 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 Surprise! It's a baby star! Yay! Pick me! Pick me! Pick me! Thank you! Shall we open the egg? 1, 2, 3. That's a yellow egg. Yellow. What's in this egg? Yay! That's a green egg. Green. Is there gonna be something inside? Open, open, open. Surprise! It's a moon! Yeah! Pick me! Pick me! I got picked! Hooray! Let's open this egg. 1, 2, 3. There's a purple egg inside. Purple! Shall we open the purple egg? 1, 2, 3. That's an orange egg. Orange! Let's open the orange egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! It's a drum! Yay! Thank you! Shall we open it? 1, 2, 3! Wow! That's a black egg! Black! I can't wait to open the black egg! Open! 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 Surprise! That's a guitar! Yay!
What do these things do in a night sky? Come on, let's find out.